Here we go, baby. Yeah.
Years old, not even joking. Not even joking. Pardon?
Where'd you get that at?
This hat, I've had it I've had it probably 25 years. It's older than most of the contestants
you're
around
the
here.
Show with a hat.
Yeah.
Turn your head a little bit.
All right. Hey, pretty much 3D here. Yeah. All right. Motorhead makes me want to sing Ace of Spades, but I can't sing, so I don't know if Lemmy could either, but it's all good. He just yelled a lot, I guess.
Where'd you find it at?
Pardon? Man, like I said, it's 25 years ago I've had this thing. It's old as Christmas. So, I mean, I've had it forever, really. Literally. Like I said, it's older than most of the participants here. A high portion of them.
You get a lot of compliments on it?
Oh, yeah. Been a few pictures taken, a lot of people, you know, a lot of comments. Super bunch of comments. All positive so far. So it's all fun. It's all about having fun here.
So we like it.
Excellent. Good deal.
He turned heads more with the hat than with his car.
Now my little brother, he's got a little a 2.4 liter Ecotech. They wouldn't let him in, but he's gonna be up there ripping jaws out on the autocross when he gets in, but not an LS. So
Well, we like your hat though.
excellent, appreciate it.
Need a little air. I need a little air, John.
How'd you feel about your first pass in the Nova?
It's pretty good. So I bumped first and second on a rev limiter just to see where the car was at. First time in the car, I've never took the car down the track before. So I wanted to see exactly where it was going to shift at, etc. So I bumped the rev limiter on 1 and 2. The guy that owns the car, Chris, he told me it was set up for a quarter mile from the guy he bought it from. And of course, Chris has never had it on a quarter mile, but whoever told him that lied to him, because I got about 2/3 way down the track and I just set on the rev limiter while the guy kept going. You know, so it's 8th mile car for sure, but we're in the 8th mile no time event with it, so hopefully it does good. I felt like it could have went a little faster. Troy said it had some, looked like it had a little bit of shake in it, but I didn't feel it in the car. So off leaving, I left a little soft just to be easy on it, just to see if I could drive the car and how it was going to handle. But going down the track, it was completely fine, no vibrations in it, and it went straight. So I think we need to peel it up to probably about a 400. It felt like it left pretty smooth. So we're going to add some more nitrous to it, and I'm going to get him to adjust some timing on that carburetor so we can run some more, and we're going to give it all it's got. But yeah, so far so good. No issues with it, man. I'm really happy with the car. It controlled really good. So next up is the Civic. We got a valve core leak, so we're going to try and get that knocked out real quick, and then we're going to take it. It's on its maiden voyage again. All new rear end, new wiring, a whole bunch of new stuff. Jonathan Atkins from Tick Performance really put some time and effort into this car. Big shout out to Michael Johnson at Whole Shot. He did all kinds of wiring, a bunch of whole rear end work. Young's Fabrication made me some new rear end pieces. Everything looks like it's traveling right, etc. So here we go. We're about to take it on its first pass, see what happens.
Right after him, I'll get that.
block.
Oh, did you?
I grenaded it. So that was a stock block engine we had in there.
Yeah.
Now it's got a Dart 427 in it. It's built to the kilt. We had some rear end problems going on with it, so we rebuilt all that.
Yep.
So it's redesigned, and then we completely changed all the wiring in it. Jonathan at Tick's been helping me a lot. He's actually going to be here around noon and working with me the whole weekend to try and really make this thing go fast. So we've got some trick stuff in the computer, and we got it off the dyno 2 nights ago, and it flowed so much fuel and so much boost it shut the dyno down. I don't even know what it means. But Jonathan said it's so high up there it's ridiculous. So he said if we can get it to track right, learn the car, he said it'll be in the 70s.
Yeah, awesome.
So I don't have to, clutchless shifting now, everything's in there.
Awesome.
So here we go. Here we go.
Good luck, sir.
But right now we got it set on, because he ain't here yet, he put it on 20 pounds and said run some passes. And then when I get there, I'll pull spark plugs, check a couple other things, we'll turn it up.
Yep, awesome.
So,
Hey, it was all right.
all right, it was all right.
Turn the ignition on.
So long, gay boys!